What's up, YouTube? Back with a mukbang. Guess what I got? Y'all finna have breakfast with me. I made me a bacon, egg, and cheese. A bacon and egg sandwich. No cheese. I toasted my bread with the Kerrygold butter, and I got an extra piece of bacon. I made like 3 pieces of bacon. I got a grapefruit, and I got me some water in my coldest bottle. Okay? I'm about to bless this food. Well, let me do my thumbnail first. God, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. I ask these things on your son, name, Jesus Christ. Amen. Good morning, y'all. I thought I'd jump on and do a mukbang. Gotta eat, so I might well do a mukbang. I'm ready to taste this. I ain't had a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich in forever. Of course, I scrumped my eggs in the Kerrygold butter. It's good. Y'all know my favorite word is busting. And some fluffy eggs. Okay. I'm still seeing the video with the stripper girl falling off the pole. I don't want to see it no more. It's so disturbing. I keep on doing like this every time I see it. That was the worst fall ever. Jesus. Baby, that was the worst fall. I felt sorry for her. This sandwich busting, y'all. Look. Y'all see it? Y'all. They still got me partying. It's Aquarius season, so we went out last night. Y'all excuse my allergies acting up. We went out last night. I got my Chiller Girl TV mukbang t-shirt on right now. Last night I was just dressed regular. It's the second time I've been out. And I have my t-shirt. And this lady I was on the dance floor, she said, "You my friend on Facebook, you do mukbangs." Yes, I do. I was like, okay, I got to start wearing my t-shirt now. Come on now. But I had fun last night. I'm thinking the thirst is real of some of these men. They just like, this obvious, okay, I got curves and all that. But that's why I don't like go to the club really. I'm single and I'm not single and ready to mingle. Not with every man. I want my own man. I don't know man that's in the club thirst trapping. This man begged me literally the last 3 or 4 hours I was there for sex. Like begging me to let him do this and do that to me. No, I'm not in here for that. So when I got ready to leave, he was still standing around. His buddy had been talking to my cousin all night. When we were leaving, I looked back and saw him. I rushed on to my truck. My cousin, you gonna ask her why I ran off. She was like, "You don't address no woman like that. Telling her, can you do this to her body and all that?" No. I don't know what they think. All women ain't loose, and for the women that they may think is loose, that's them. That's their prerogative. I'm not like that. So I was just like, ugh, like get away from me with that. I'm not in here for that. I just came to party with my girls after work. That's it. I ain't looking for no sexual encounter just for a night. I'm not looking for that. But if I was, I'm not asked for it. I don't need you to ask me for it. I ask you for it. That's what I wanted. But no, I wasn't enough for that. Literally, every time he saw me, that's what he was saying. Clearly, he was a little tipsy, maybe even drunk. But, baby, no. One guy came up. He was so aggressive, he scared me. Put me on me in your phone. Okay. You got it? I got it. Call me. Okay. Where you going when you leave here? I'm scared of you and you being aggressive, but I ain't that scared. I ain't going with you. Okay? He's talking. Call me if I can lock you up. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. He was so aggressive. He was drunk too. Listen, y'all stop drinking till you get drunk and don't know what you're doing. Okay? He was so aggressive. Y'all know how DMX talk, right? That's how he was talking in my ear. Real hard. I was like, okay. Bye, y'all. Lord Jesus, when I got there, this young boy jumped on me on the dance floor. I can't never go on the dance floor and dance by myself. I guess this saying I need to dance with somebody. No. Sometimes I hear a song, I just go to the dance floor. I want to dance. Here he come. He kept trying to turn me around, get on my butt. No, little boy, get a bag up off me, okay? I said, how old are you? That thing said 32. I said, boy, if you don't go on somewhere, somebody, please come get the toddler off me. You was a toddler, okay? I don't like the fact when the children get old enough to come in the club that we go to. We got a club that's for us, and they got clubs that's for them. I don't go to y'all club. Y'all don't need to come to ours. They all up in there trying to get them a sugar mama. I ain't no sugar mama. No. I got real live bills, and you can't help me pay none. I don't think you can give me some D. I'm good, okay? I need more than that. The little boy, well, just let me take you out. You ain't got to tell nobody. Now you want to be my secret lover. Little boy, get. Somebody get the toddler right now. Why is he in here? They need to have she's 32, they need to take it up to 40. Okay? 30 to me is 25. So now you need to take it up to 40 for the children to be able to get in the club. Because I don't want them in there with me. I don't. Be trying to talk to grown women, no. The other one said he was in there with his dad, so he done tried to show his dad to me. His dad to my, oh, I already saw that junk in the trunk. Shut up. He to my she blessed. Shut it up. Telling the little boy that. Baby. No. You got some glasses in it? I'm eating my mukbang. Boy, if you... Look. In the closet.
What, for some glass? Over here in the jury box?
Down in
In this thing?
in that one or in one of the drawers. Yeah.
How old the jury box is?
It was Kristen's grandmother's jewelry box.
So like
Old.
50, 60,
Shut up.
80.
Looking at I think they're in that open up part right there.
This?
Mm-hmm. On top of the jewelry box. Push one side. Get him out of here. Push one side in and then at the bottom pull it. Cause my little knob's off. Yeah. My other one, my big one out in the car, I put them in the car, I'm gonna get them done.
What wrong with them?
I'm gonna get my medicine put in them so I can wear them. They're the big black ones. Like this. They're square.
Some shade.
On my pink shades out there.
In the car?
With the rhinestones on.
Let me see.
They're in the dashboard. My keys in my purse. I can't even do my mukbang. I'm trying to get on my nerve. I already don't come see y'all like I used to. I used to be mukbanging every day. I'm gonna get back to it, y'all. Okay? I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna give myself a go. I was a little intimidated about going out with my hair. My natural hair last night. But I got a lot of compliments on it. And I got a lot of compliments at my job. Baby, this family's busting y'all. Now, if I eat bread, it's going to be once a week. Wheat bread. But, busting. I got me a salad. I'm going to take to work for dinner today. Wednesday, yeah. So, I might do a mukbang with my salad. I was going to put fish and some vegetables, go with it. Y'all know I'm not a big eater. I'm over here ready to give it up right now. I'm finished. This sandwich is good. What is that? Oh. How y'all week going? Let me know. What's on? That was good. My grapefruit. Turkey bacon. Cold as water. I add my lemon juice to it. I had my bath. Now I'm getting ready. Finish get my makeup on. I started, but I stopped so I could eat. So I said I might well do a mukbang. And I got to get into this makeup. I'm trying to do my makeup every day before I go to work. So you guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. About to get to this makeup so I can get ready for work. If y'all have not liked, subscribe, comment, Go ahead and do that. Hit the notification button so you'll know when I'm uploading. Come back and see me. I'll be right here on my YouTube channel.